Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam on your HP OfficeJet Pro 8715. The first and most obvious place to check is your output tray. If you see any paper here, pull it out. The next place you need to check is your paper tray. Pull out your paper tray and remove any paper. Please make sure you do check the paper tray last, as you could damage some parts removing the paper from here. The next place to look is under your ink cartridges. Open your cover, let the printhead align, and then remove your paper jam if possible. Then close your cover. Then you'll need to check the back of the printer. Push these two tabs in to bring down your cover, and then push these two in to bring this part out, and then remove your paper jam, and then put the parts back in just like you took them out.